Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
With just 3 ingredients, you can make yourself a delicious mango mousse. Start by blending your sliced mango until it's smooth. In a separate bowl, use a whisk or an electric mixer to whip your whipping cream. Remove a small amount and set it aside for decoration. Meanwhile, mix your pureed mangoes with your whipping cream. And then pour in some condensed milk. Mix gently but well, and you'll have a delicious mango mousse. You can also refrigerate it to let it set better.
This mango ice cream cake is a super easy dessert to whip up in the summer when you're feeling lazy. And the best part is you don't have to turn your oven on. Starting off with the mango ice cream, I'm using Show Me the Curry's 3-ingredient recipe using a can of mango pulp, sweetened condensed milk, and Cool Whip. And this is my go-to mango ice cream recipe. Been using it for years. Just whisk it all together and let it freeze overnight. Now to assemble the ice cream cake, I lined a loaf pan with some plastic wrap, and I'm scooping out my 3-ingredient ice cream and smoothing it out with a spatula. And for the next layer, I'm using Chessman butter cookies, but you can do Biscoff, or if you don't want to do cookies, you can also do a layer of cake, whatever works. And finally, a layer of vanilla ice cream. Cover it and let it freeze for a few more hours. And when you're ready to serve, you could either top this with some freshly cut mango or some crushed up cookies like I did here. And my layer started to melt because I took too long to do this, but it went.